Hello friends, this is Swapnil, and as you see here the message appear in this window. It's like thank you, job well done, congratulations, you have earned 26 cents, rate this survey. So I'm just right here the 5 stars and close the tab this survey by clicking here close the survey. Actually what it is, this is the Polefish survey, and in just few seconds ago I got this kind of this what we can say, yeah, such kind of this notification. And the this is the my balance. Current my balance is $15.25. And if you just previously, if you go previous, then already Polefish survey I'm completed, and that's how they give me some kind of 26 cents. So I'm refreshing here. So after refreshing, this amount will be updated, and of course in this survey will be this notification will be gone. Okay, so see, this is the reload. I am reloading, and see the amount is updated here, and this surveys notification also quit here. So what I'm trying to do is, this is the very best website for making extra money online if you have a free time in your daily routine. So it's really worth it. Of course, apart from this Neoworks website, I have alternative website like Swagbucks, and like the this is also one of the best website where I already making some kind of this Satoshi, and which is withdrawable balance is like the minimum is 2000 Satoshis. And if I want to withdraw, then I can choose Payeer or Litecoin, or in short I can withdraw for to in cryptocurrency or Payeer too. So see here the Payeer, and if I'm confirm here, so kind of the window will be appear, and I will get a 1.7 USD. So no need to do anything here in CoinPay. You just need to come here and surf ads, and such a kind of this ads will appear. And here's the Satoshi in per ad. So if I'm click here, the ad will be open in next window, and it's scrolling. And if I'm come back here, see this is the seconds are completing, and until this is complete, I can go again here in this Neoworks website. And of course I'm using the double browser. So some kind of reason, because I thought completing a survey is it's not maybe in one single browser it's happened. Maybe it's right or wrong, I don't know, but well, the both websites are good. I giving you description box both of these websites link. So if you want to earn like extra money online, then you can use this both websites. And of course apart from that, as I told you, this is the Swagbucks, and see how I earn here in front of you. Just need to click here after sign up your interface like this, and just click on this daily poll. It's a fixed earning here, they call the Swagbucks here. And see, this is my balance, it's 593 SB, that is Swagbucks. And they asked me, do you like puns? So it's a daily polls. So it depends on how clever it is, what is a pun. So I'm clicking here, vote and earn 1 SB. So that's how I earn 1 Swagbucks without doing nothing in just 1 seconds. And of course, apart from this, they have surveys, they have offers like you see here, daily search, deal of the day, and attempt a gold survey, complete a gold survey, and many more things like shoppings and redeem SB and whatever, etc., etc. thing. Here's the minimum withdrawal limit is $10, and payout is via PayPal. So this link is also I'm giving in description box. Again, next thing is I have a Honeygan application in background running here, which is working for me, doing nothing. They give me a extra earning money. It's a internet selling application, and here's the IP Royal network, which I will show you here. I think it's here. Yeah, see, this is the minimum where I already earn minimum balance, that is $1, and I can withdraw here. But already I get paid by them in last week, so I just want to make extra more income, and then I will be withdraw. So whatever I'm showing you here, and here the list of websites actually I have. But if you would like to make extra money online, having a free utilizing your free time, then let me know. I will be give you in list of these links in description box.